Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another crafting tutorial. And today we are gonna make a tuxedo greeting card. How cool is that, right? So let's get started. Alright guys, so firstly we take 26 by 15 centimeters of a chart paper and divide it at 7 centimeters on each side and fold the chart paper as I'll be showing here. So once that's done, we need to take 4 centimeters as I've shown here and 9 centimeters towards the side to make the collar of the suit card. Fold this way on both sides. As you can see, I'm using a dotting tool to fold the paper first and pressing it with a set square so that you can get neat folds. If you don't have a dotting tool at home, you can also use an inkless ball pen and this way fold both sides. Now what we gotta do is take a white paper of 12 by 15 centimeters and this is for the white shirt inside. So you need to take 2 centimeters on each side and cut them at 3 centimeters as I'll be showing here. This is to make the collar. So now we need to fold them towards the middle and stick them together and thus the collar is done. And so there's the white shirt. So guys, once that's done, we need to make the tie. For that, I'm sketching out the tie onto a paper, keeping it on the shirt. This is to know exact position of the tie. And after that, fold that paper into half and cut out the tie as I've shown here. And you can use this as the stencil to cut out the tie on a pattern paper. Guys, make sure that you trace it out on the back side of the pattern paper. And so there you go. There's the tie and you can stick it under the collar towards the middle. So now it's time to stick on this one onto the blue chart paper. For that, as I've shown here, take 2 by 15 centimeters of blue chart paper, fold it from the middle and do as I'll be showing here. Alright, so while sticking the white shirt inside, make sure the collar of the tuxedo and the white shirt inside aligns properly towards the center. And there you go guys, the tuxedo card is done. And now it's time to add a message and do some decorations onto the card. You can add any message you want or a quote as per you like. Here I am using the card as a gift to husband's birthday, so I am writing a quote with happy birthday. But guys, this card can also be used as a gift to brother or father. It suits for any such occasions, and it's surely going to be a cute one to gift it to your loved ones. Here, just to give a more cute look, I'm adding 2 buttons. For this I'm using glue gun so that it sticks easily. And this is the pen I use for all my projects while giving outlines or any lettering that I do. And there's the easy tutorial. Hope you guys like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you guys are interested in seeing more of my craft works, go on to zakzzworld on Instagram. Until next video, happy crafting and thanks for watching.